What's up, Maxis? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Egld and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. We would really appreciate it if you would like and subscribe so you don't miss any videos, and turn on bell notifications as well. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment to be eligible. Only 20% of viewers are subbed, so please tap that red subscribe button. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. Before we begin, we'd just like to say thank you so much to all of you for your support. You're all amazing. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So as we can see, Egld's been absolutely smashed recently. I think it's down around, at the time of recording this video, it's down around 56% from its all-time high still, which is quite a lot. And obviously it was down well over 70% from its all-time high in the recent massive correction. So obviously a huge amount of downside has happened for Egld. But I mean, just for a start, if you like Egld for the long term, what an opportunity to get in at around $100 here. If you think Egld's going to $1,000 or more by the end of the bull run, which we personally do think, then extremely bullish in our opinion. We do think Egld has the potential to be $2, $3, $4, maybe even $5,000 per token by the end of the run, considering how much it's offering and also how good its whole ecosystem is. It's a smart contract platform ecosystem, and obviously going into the summer, with all the smart contract wars going on, we do think there's going to be some complementary competition, and a lot of smart contract platforms such as Egld are going to be benefiting heavily from all of the hype surrounding smart contract platforms. So currently with the price of around $108 at the time recording this video, as we can see, the price action for Egld hasn't been great recently. We are making higher lows here though, as we can see. So it does look as though the trend is slowly going to the upside, as we can see here. Something in the region of this, but we haven't broke past this key area of resistance here around 120 yet. So we would like to see Egld basically coming up and seeing this the C wave here, where we basically come up and then break through this local high and point of resistance, as we can see, and that would be very, very bullish in our opinion. But as of now, it seems as though Egld is heavily correlated to what Bitcoin is doing, as with most cryptos, and it seems as though we're making high lows, but we're not making any higher highs yet, which is obviously the next thing that we want to see. If we can make higher highs, then obviously we'll be blessed with some more continuation in our opinion. It does seem as though Egld is currently recovering and bouncing in and around this macro blue trend line that we've seen here. Obviously we've got this massive explosion of Egld to the upside where it's been trading for some time, but it does seem as though we have fallen back down and now trading around this macro trend line that we can see. So in the past few days, Egld does look as though it's been moving to the upside again, but it has been struggling from what we can tell in comparison to most cryptos. As we can see here, we did flip bullish again on the EMAs, which is a positive sign, but we have been struggling to stay above the 50. Obviously, as you can see, we have been bouncing off of it, but we've hit it multiple times, and we've not really seen the run up back to retest these levels here that we would want to see for Egld to be really forming this kind of ascending triangle, as we can see here. We really want this triangle to be broken in the next week or so, but it's probably not going to happen until Bitcoin does something significant. But it does seem as though Bitcoin is basically it's bouncing in and around and retesting that 39.5 to 40k level, and we do think if Bitcoin can get back above 40k and hold it for a decent period of time, and then get above 41k, which is our main point of resistance currently that's suppressing the whole market, we do think that Egld is going to have a nice breakout, because obviously most cryptos are going to pump if Bitcoin can get back above 41k in our opinion, because the bull run is probably going to fully resume if that's the case. We've currently been in a period of uncertainty for the past few weeks, as we've all seen, and most cryptos are struggling to decide what they should do. Obviously, we do think that if Bitcoin can get back above that 41k level, which it broke down below when all of this madness started in the market with all the manipulation and stuff, we do think that Egld is going to benefit from that massively. We do think this is a top project. We bought this back in January-ish time, I believe. Let's just take a look at what it was. I think we bought it around here when it was $30 to $40. So obviously we're still up well over 2 or 3x, which is nice to see. We were up a massive amount, obviously, almost up a very, very nice 10x or so at $250. But we're not concerned about the recent price action. Obviously, in the long term, we know what we hold, and we do think for the long term, Egld is going to be a top project in our opinion. As we can see, we are making higher lows here, so sooner or later we are going to break this level of resistance here, and then our short-term price target after that would be challenging again this area here that we can see of around $2.40. I mean, $140. My God, honestly, my brain today just cannot handle. I don't know what's going on. I think it's just because it's horribly warm in the UK right now, and we're basically just sweltering. So my brain is just fried. But if we break through this level of this triangle resistance here at around 115 to 120, we do think the next target will be 140. As you can see here, this is a historical level of support which will be flipped into resistance. We do think this is probably going to happen sooner rather than later, considering how Bitcoin is currently performing. And hopefully we can see Bitcoin break above 40k, because if we do, we're going to see a very nice pump for most altcoins as a result of that. And we are seeing basically some move to the upside for most altcoins as well, based on the positive sentiment of Bitcoin moving up. So we've not seen that move yet for Egld, but hopefully we can make this C wave happen here. And then at that point, we would break out of this triangle that we're forming, and we would be testing that 140 level again. Hopefully we can flip that into support, that 120 level, and then move to the upside, basically moving through the supports and resistances like this. So we're very bullish on Egld in the long term. Obviously it's broke down from this channel and is currently bouncing in and around the macro trend line, but we do think this is a top project for the future, and we do think by the end of the bull run it can easily be over $1,000, which is only around a 10x from the current price. And we did say 2.5 to 3k, maybe even 4 or 5k, depending on the sheer amount of a pump that it gets. That would be around a 10x from the all-time high, or a 20x if you think 5k is achievable. We think 5k is probably a bit of a stretch, but considering how much Egld is actually offering, and its comparatively low market cap to most smart contract platforms like Cardano and Ethereum, for example, we do think Egld has got a big potential to capture a good amount of market share. And if that's the case, then 2 or 3k per Egld token doesn't seem that crazy, considering that's only around a 10x from the all-time high, which would probably be around, I think be around an $80 to $120 billion market cap, which sounds ridiculous now, but if Ethereum's going to be well over $1 trillion, Cardano, Polkadot probably 500 billion plus each, then 100 billion for Egld doesn't seem unlikely to us at all, or unreasonable considering how much it's offering. They've got so much coming out all the time. Obviously their Maiar app's been a huge success. They've got the Maiar exchange, which is getting rolled out all the time. And then obviously with smart contract wars in the summers, there's plenty to be bullish on. So we do think Egld is a top project, and in the long term, it's probably going to do very, very well. So that's our update on Egld today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money. So there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with purevpn. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.